Remember this rule. Money is not evil. It's people who are evil. Money, on the other hand, never become a slave to your money. You make money your slave. I like money. Why? Because money allows me, and it's hard-earned money, it's honest work that I earn this money from. So your money it allows you to give your loved ones gifts or go on, you make memories with your family na mag-travel kayo, kahit dito lang sa Pilipinas or dyan lang sa resort, dyan sa malapit, sa Antipolo, wherever na you make memories. Kasi pagdating ng araw, mamamatay na tayo, hindi mo na maisipin, ako yung building ko sa ay yung condo ko sa, ay yung bahay. Isipin mo, ay ako yung mga anak ko. Yun ang ating So always, if you respect money, pero hindi mo sinasamba, parang paru-paro yan, lalapit sa'yo. Huwag agad papasok sa negosyo. Unless alam mo ang labas-pasok ng negosyong to at meron kang money na pwedeng isugal doon, huwag agad-agad. Kasi maraming stories about, lalo na mga magigiting na OFWs, diba? Pag uwi nila, biglang, may magyaya, pare, sali kasi negosyo to, sumali, naubos lahat yung pinaghirapan ng ilang taon. Kasi hindi mo naiintindihan. Ako, I've always been a conservative investor. Ngayon, meron akong portion ng savings ko, ng earnings ko na nakukuha kong mag-high risk. Kunyari, I don't know about stocks, so I get an expert when I want to invest in stocks. And pag malaki yung investment, hayaan mo na sila, mas alam nila yon. But I'd rather have control over most, if not all, of my earnings. So, for me, that's real estate. Now, meron utang na okay. There's good utang and there's bad utang. Anong bad utang? Bad utang is umuutang ka dahil kailangan mo magbayad para sa mga luho mo or bisyo mo. Wala akong ganon ever. Lahat ng meron ako, pinag-ipunan ko, at yung unang-unang inutang ko sa bangko, kasi dati bibili ako, mag-i-invest ako yung unang condo na binili ko sa Pacific Plaza dito sa Ayala Avenue because I was renting a unit in Twin Towers. And for 5 years yun inuupahan ko. I was blessed with such a good landlord. I learned so much about being a good landlord myself. Hindi ako magugutom kasi marunong ako mag-banana queue, mag-turon, yung ganun ba? Whatever you want na, like my children, when they want to buy something, Miguel sells ice candy. Gumagawa sila dito, kinukos ng yaya niya. Tapos pinupunan namin yung gusto niyang bilhin, yung kulang pa. Pero they know the value of money. When Frankie and Miel were small, Frankie would sell turon and banana queue. Either sa office ng daddy nila or wherever. And Miel would sell banana milkshakes pag merong bazaar-bazaar noon sa bahay namin sa Laguna. My kids don't get everything just like that, no? Si Casey, tinuruan ko rin. Nung gumraduate ng college, lahat ng inipon niya na ininvest ko, binigay ko sa kanya in the form of a check or two, kasi may ibang currencies. Kung depende sa exchange rate, pinapalipat ko, pinapakonvert ko, but I gave it all to her na walang bawas. So, and she listened to me too, so she has real estate investments, so that's really good. Do not invest in things you do not understand. So, basta food, clothing, shelter, yan ang pinaka-stable. Shelter, real estate. Okay, bahay, lupa, na pwedeng tayuan. Tapos, yan ang mga basic. Food, syempre, pagkain. Kaya kahit karinderya lang, or if you have one specialty food, kunyari lasagna, or macaroni, or something that you can sell, mag-Instagram lang kayo and you get orders if you want to stay at home. I used to do that with my cakes, yung carrot cakes ko. There was a time no one knew I was the one baking them and I was supplying a restaurant. So, I had that because I had time on my hands noon. Hindi ako masyadong busy. Ang taba ako and I was doing it. Mami, lumabas na yung sarap ng carrot cake ni Sharon. So, and that happened kasi ang daming recipes ng carrot cake. I tested several and I picked the best one and I tweaked it sa panlasang Pinoy kasi hindi sobrang tamis ang gusto natin. And then my frosting, this is, so babawasan ko dito, dadagdagan ko dito, and it became a uniquely flavored cake that everyone loves now. So I hope to don't ignore your labor kasi your labor is worth something. Hindi mabubuo yung kung walang trabaho nyo. And then banana queue, just ko turon on the side, di ba? Ako, may nagtatanong sa akin, what about franchising? I am not so hot and heavy on franchising unless you really are knowledgeable about the restaurant business. Kasi nangyayari yung franchisors ang kumikita, ikaw hindi lagi. So if you don't understand the business, don't get into it. Dream ko magka-restaurant, but since I don't know how to run it, and I know it's very time consuming, it takes 100% of your devotion and your time and your you have to be eagle-eyed kasi merong pagnanakaw, merong the way that yung safety at health standards kailangan na maintain, yung cleanliness, yung service, okay ba? If you don't have the time for that, please don't get into it. Start small. If you like baking or making casseroles, pasta dishes, you can sell them. There are many on Instagram and Facebook. Makikita nyo kumikita sa ganon. Home cooking, home-cooked meals na kahit magaling kayo magluto, minsan gusto nyo ibang panlasa na hindi sobrang mahal, marami po dyan. So you can do that by yourself. That's a nice thing. Kung mahilig naman kayong bumiyahe around Asia, alam nyo kung saan bibili, like yung mga markets in Bangkok, let's say you get okay or good quality clothing na hindi sobrang mahal, you can do that. Benta nyo dito, may patong na kasi you have to consider the price of your plane ticket unless you have a lot of miles in your mileage bank, then magastos din yon, pati yung hotel mo, expenses mo, maraming ganon. Or sabi nila mura sa Taytay at sa DV. Meron ako mga kilala ng mga storya na babasa ko noon pa, magazine articles na bibili ng mga, not everybody kasi has the patience, the time, lalo na sa traffic ngayon, to go as far as Taytay or to Divisoria and buy, have the patience to go through kung ano-anong mga pieces of clothing doon para i-resell. Pero maraming willing bumili sa inyo kasi hindi lahat nga gusto rin mag-shopping na ganun kalayo at daanin yung traffic. If you're willing to go through that, maganda ring idea yon. Ang akin is, always start small. Hindi lahat ng kinita mo, ibubuhos mo. Para pag hindi nag-workout, hindi ganun kasakit. Meron ka pang extra. Tapos, I have never ever gone into gambling. Ayoko yon, yung bisyo, pagsusugal, or ano man yung kawawala mo ng pera na walang saysay. It's so sad, di ba? I'd rather save the money, tapos kung kaya mo nga mag-save nang walang utang, mas mabuti. But